Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. A bus is committed by Prophet Sipat Busiri for the repatriation of Malawians living in South Africa have arrived and begun loading passengers for the journey home. In a Facebook post, the founder of Enlightened Christian Gathering said the mission was now underway after months of planning. Great news! The buses are committed to send have arrived in South Africa and have started loading our fellow Malawians to bring them home safely, Busiri wrote. The prophet said he was filled with joy seeing the mission become a reality and thanked the Malawi government through the Malawi Embassy in South Africa for its collaboration. They are doing their part. We too must do our part. Together, we continue to stand with our people. Welcome home our fellow Malawians, he added. The repatriation initiative has drawn wide support online, with many Malawians praising the effort and calling it a timely intervention for those facing hardships abroad. Accompanying photos showed crowds of Malawians with luggage boarding white buses as preparation for departure got underway. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.